Okay, I've got 2 racks of baby backs here. I'm getting ready to put on the smoker. I like to prep them the night before. And how I do that is I will take the membrane off the back of the ribs and I rub them all down with yellow mustard. And then I will sprinkle them with Barron's garlic pepper with just a light coating of the Barron's applewood rub and finish it off with a pork rub and get a nice coating on it. And then I wrap them in foil and put them in the refrigerator overnight. Okay, now I'm ready to put my ribs on the smoker. I've got it up to 200 degrees and I'll smoke them at 200 degrees for about 4 hours. And about every 30 to 45 minutes, I will spray my ribs with just 100% apple juice, just to help keep them moist. Okay, here we are. We're 2 hours into it. I've been spraying it with the apple juice every 30 minutes, and we'll give it another good dose. Now we'll wait for another 30 minutes and spray it again, and I'll check back with you when we get done. Okay, now my ribs have been on the grill for 4 hours, and now I'm going to take them off the grill, and I'm going to wrap them in foil with apple juice and a light coating of barbecue sauce. You can use your favorite sauce. Hogs and Heat is a really good sauce. Wrap it up and just dump just a little bit, maybe a half a cup, 3/4 cup of apple juice in the bottom of the foil. Okay, I've got my ribs on in the foil with the apple juice in them, and I turned my heat up to 250 for the next 45 minutes to an hour. And my ribs have been on the smoker now, wrapped in the foil for approximately an hour. I'm gonna take them off the grill, take them out of the foil, put them back on the grill, and put the sauce on them for 30 minutes, and then they will be done. Finally, we are done. You now have some smoked ribs seasoned to perfection with Barron's spices. These seasonings, many others as well as sauces and salad dressings, can be found locally and at oldtimespices.com. I'm Grillin Jim, and thanks for watching.